Okay, good afternoon. I am Miss Crystal Intia and I will be your competency-based trainer for domestic work and C2. And I am ready to facilitate the learning session now. Before I start with the learning session, I have checked our facilities, the tools, and equipment according to the occupational health and safety procedure. I have also checked our facilities for the completeness of the tools and equipment. According to training regulation or for our qualification, okay, and I okay. Go. Okay, and I am ready to use this as I provide you with skills demonstration. Okay, but before we start, I'd like you to sign the attendance sheet. So kindly pass. Go. I'd like you to sign the attendance sheet. So kindly pass this to your co-trainer. Okay, thank you. There you go. And affix this, your signature. Okay, thank you. And then I also have here the learner profile form. So I want you to double check if the information about you is correct. Okay. Then sign or affix your signature. And also sign or affix your signature if all the information about you are correct. Thank you very much. And with that, you are now officially enrolled to domestic work and C2. So, I have here the data gathering instrument. If the instrument will help me know your characteristic as a trainee. Okay, so this will be my reference in providing my future training, learning, and learning session to you based on your characteristic. So I will give you 10 minutes to answer this. Please answer with all others, okay? Thank you very much. I will be evaluating your answer after your orientation. And then I also have a pre-assessment for you. So this will let us know your prior knowledge regarding our topic, your prior learning, and if you have experience regarding our topic based on our qualification. I have the self-assessment check, so you will evaluate your own by your learning. Thank you very much. And then I have also here the pre-test, so don't worry. This is not actually the test that you are expecting. So it's okay if you will be getting a low score, since this is just a diagnosed code that will help you know you background knowledge regarding our topic. So answer that for 30 minutes. Okay, thank you very much. I will be evaluating, checking your pre-test after the orientation. So, welcome to Camarines Sur Polytechnic College, and you are involved in domestic work NC2. Okay, now I want to discuss these house rules. Since in every institution or establishment, we also have some rules and regulations to follow. So these house rules are posted within the vicinity of our school, and you are expected to strictly follow the rules and regulation or the house rules. Now, since CSPC is also providing different trainees for different qualification, we are using here the CBT approach or the competency-based training.